Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the newly redesigned 2021 Ford F-150 in an XLT trim and powered by a 5-liter V8 engine, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing, coming with a fresh new look inside and out, and running boards down below. But let's take a look inside. And first, looking in the back seat, where you have comfortable seating for 3 that can be folded up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo you might want to put back here. And down here in the middle, you have 2 fold-out cup holders, as well as a 12-volt power outlet, USB and USB-C. And this truck does also have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your vehicle. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. And now sitting in the vehicle with it running and looking at the right side of the steering wheel, where you have your controls for your center info screen here, where you can cycle through your digital speedometer, trip 1 and 2 information, driver assistance settings, fuel economy, eco coach, and comm screen. And then on the left side, where you have your cruise controls and your lane keeping system, you also have your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom side of the steering wheel. But then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio and Bluetooth, so you do have some options there for whatever you want to listen to. And you have your Bluetooth phone controls, whatever apps you may have installed, settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle, and your general truck features such as driver assistance, towing, and owner's manual. Then shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera with reverse sensors, so you're going to be able to see where you're going and hopefully avoid hitting anything, with dynamic hitch view, so you can zoom in and hopefully have an easier time hooking up a trailer or something of the sort. Then above your screen, you have your auto start stop shut off, your camera view, hazards and traction control shut off. Moving down from your screen, you have your media controls and then your climate controls. Pretty simple, easy to use. To the left of that, you have your Pro Trailer Backup Controller, Trailer Brake Controller, and 4x4 controls with a locking rear differential and drive mode selector for slippery, deep snow, sand, mud, ruts. And then on the other end, you have tow, haul, eco, and sport modes, so you can customize your driving experience a bit there. Then moving on to the right side, where you have a 12-volt and USB and USB-C, as well as this button to open the compartment above your glove box. And then moving down from your climate controls, you have another 12-volt and USB and USB-C, as well as this shelf where you can put your device while it's charging or whatever else you want to put there. And going to your column shifter real quick, which does have select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears. And then moving on to your center console, where you have 2 cup holders, cubby, and your center compartment / armrest, which is pretty spacious. But then this does lift up and out of the way to become your 5th passenger seat and 6th seat overall, so plenty of seating in this truck. Then underneath that, you actually have another lockable compartment for even more storage space, so that's always nice too. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111 or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.